In this lesson, we'll finish the twist rig for the Flexi Line tied to the left shoulder. So now all we need to do is take care of the twisting of this connect curve here tied to our forearm. Now we know that when the arm rotates, that curve is going to follow because of that global object being connected to our shoulder. So what this means is that all we need to be concerned with is how this connect curve will follow our FK control. So we can simply wire right into that connect curve. Let's go ahead and grab the forearm control. We'll right click and choose wire parameters. We'll go ahead and find its twist axis, so that's 0 Euler X. And let's go ahead and tie that into our connect curve's Y axis. So that's 0 Euler Y. Now before we connect this, we know that we need to use the inverse of what we see here. So that's going to be negative X, and now we can connect and test this out. So you'll see when we start to rotate our forearm control, it's going to work successfully. Beautiful. We can take this and rotate it up and start to add more twisting. Everything's working just fine. Alright, so I'll go ahead and use transform to 0 to bring this back. Of course, we want to always test both modes, so I'll go to IK next, and we'll start to use the elbow swivel and take a look. It follows just fine. Alright, great. So once we're finished up here, we can now go in, zero out the swivel channel, and we're ready to clean things up, making sure we create a bend control to grab this object a little bit easier. We'll also need to start cleaning up a few things. We need to make sure that the squash and stretch system will work. So we just have a few more tasks before this one's finished up so that we can move on to working on the forearm's Flexi Line.